Okay, let's talk about the Ozempic craze. We have all seen the news, people getting amazing results, but also dealing with those weekly needles and constant fridge storage hassle. But what if I told you the FDA just approved a pill that might be actually better? Yes, I'm talking about Foundayo, generic name Orforglipron. It was officially approved just last month in April 2026. And as a pharmacist, this is one of the drugs my patients have been asking me about all week. Today, we're breaking down what it is, the impressive clinical data behind it, and why it's a total game changer for weight loss this year. So do watch this video till end. We'll break it all down. Hi, my name is Mayank. I'm a registered pharmacist with RxIndianPharmacist channel, your go-to guide to pharmacy knowledge. If you are first time watching this video, consider subscribing. So, first thing first, let's understand what is Foundayo. So, what it is exactly? Foundayo is once daily pill developed by Eli Lilly. Yes, it is the same company behind Zubbound, and it's a DLP-1 receptor agonist, just like Ozempic or Wegovy, but with a massive twist that solves the biggest headache of current oral weight loss drugs. Unlike Rybelsus, which has very strict rules about when you can eat or drink, Foundayo can be taken any time of the day, with or without food. You just take pill and go about your day. It's FDA approved for adults struggling with obesity, specifically those with a BMI of 30 or higher, or those with a BMI of 27, who also have weight related health issues like high blood pressure, sleep apnea, type 2 diabetes. Let's understand the science and the stats. Here is the science. I'll keep it simple for you. Foundayo is what we call a small molecule drug. Why does that matter? Most GLP-1s are large molecules that gets destroyed by stomach acid, which is why they have to be injected. But Foundayo is tough enough to survive your stomach acid, your digestion, and gets absorbed directly into your blood from a simple tablet. And the results? They are incredible. In Attain 1 clinical trials, patient on highest dose lost an average of 27 pounds over 72 weeks. That is 12.4% of their total body weight. For those with type 2 diabetes, in the Attain 2 clinical trial, they saw an average weight loss of 23 pounds and a massive 1.8% drop in their A1C levels. These aren't just diet pill numbers, these are clinical grade results. Now let's talk about its dosage forms from a pharmacist advice. Now, you don't just jump into the high dose. As a pharmacist, I'll tell you that titration is key to avoid side effects. You will likely start at a very low dose, usually zero point 0.8 milligrams once daily for the first month. Your doctor then could gradually increase the dosage for every 30 days, moving to 2.5 milligrams, then 5.5, and potentially all the way up to 17.2 milligrams, depending on how your body reacts. If you ever miss a dose, just take it as soon as you remember. But if you miss more than 7 days in a row, don't just double up. Call your pharmacist or doctor to discuss how to restart safely. We'll now discuss the pros and cons of this drug. Let's get into the real talk on the pros and cons. The pros first: convenience. No needles, no refrigeration, and no food restrictions. Second, accessibility. It is available through Lilly Direct, so you can get it shipped straight to your door. Third, price. If you have commercial insurance, you could pay as little as $25 a month. For self-pay patient, the starting price is around $149. And even for Medicare Part D patients, there is a path to get it for $50 starting this July. The cons. It's still GLP-1, so the big three side effects are nausea, diarrhea, and constipation. Most people find these fade after a week as your body adjusts. Also, like all drugs in this class, it carries a boxed warning regarding thyroid C cell tumors. So, if you or your family have a history of medullary thyroid cancer, this is not the right choice for you. Final verdict. So, is Foundayo the Ozempic killer? It's definitely the biggest threat that we have seen by so far. By removing the needle fear and the high price tags of injection, it's going to make effective weight loss accessible to all. If you're in the US looking for a more manageable way to needle weight loss, ask your doctor about Orforglipron. But I want to hear from you. Now that there is a pill option with no food rules, would you still choose an injection? Drop a comment below. So, if you find this breakdown helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, RX Indian Pharmacist, your go to guide to pharmacy knowledge. See you next week in another video like this. Until then, bye for now.